Alright, so we took off the stocks from the Z. It's looking so nice. I love that fitment. But here, let me put down the garage door. I'll explain to you guys what I'm doing. Alright, so we're gonna be painting the stock wheels white just because I want to see how they look, and they're my drift spares, so I don't really care how they look. And yeah, so we put the ones that were on the Z1 at bottom, and now it looks perfect. So that's good. That's what we're gonna be doing, and I'm gonna be doing like a little collage of, not collage, little time lapse of me like grinding it down because I want them to like be kind of nice. Damn, it's fucking cold. Alright, so I got to go to an interview, and then I'm gonna go pick up the paint for the wheels, and then we're gonna come back and paint them. So, taking the girl, looking nice. A little cold start. So I think it went well. Fingers crossed I'll get the job. Really need the job. So yeah, now we're gonna head to Walmart, I think, just to pick up some paint, or I don't know, just whatever's on. I think Home Depot, actually. I think Home Depot's close to my house. So yeah, see you guys there. paint, I only got 1 can because I think it'll be enough since the wheel's already like a gray. And yeah, I'm only gonna do the front, and then the back I'm gonna plastic dip them, because a lot of people say that if you do white on the whole thing it kind of looks ugly, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so this is what I did with paper. Kind of the same ideas with the envelopes, but it doesn't work as well because fucking paper, and it doesn't want to stay. Like, that's already coming off, this one's already coming off. But yeah, we're gonna try to do it because I don't really care too much about these tires. We're gonna try to do it fast so that they don't fall, and yeah. Also, I think I found out where it's losing air. There's like a chunk of tire. Yeah, I don't think it's supposed to be like that. Okay, so first things first, you guys saw me grind down the rims. Now I'm gonna go ahead and clean them a little bit. I got like a little rag and just get all this dirt off of it, because if not it's gonna stick to the paint and it's gonna look ugly as fuck. It doesn't have to be perfect, just good enough. Alright, so I kind of rushed this one, and I got a lot of overspray. As you can tell, that I kind of don't want. That I don't really care, like the little inside the hole. But it doesn't look terrible. And they're drifters, so they're probably going to get hit, and I don't really care. But yeah, I think that one actually came out nicer. I took my more time up with that one than I did with this one. But it took me like 15 minutes and all done. Now the hard part is going to be doing the back black. I don't know how I'm going to do that, but oh well.